Hey grad fam, we're back.
Hey guys.
Today, all my brothers and sisters came to visit us from Portland, and we decided to take them to Gardners Orchard, which is my cousin's farm up in Brighton, Missouri. It's about a 40-minute drive. Let's go check it out. All right, guys, pulling up to the orchard. Babe, excited?
Yes.
I think we're here. There's the sign. Oh, this place is packed. Look at that. Welcome to Gardners Orchard and Bakery. The family farm. Hey guys. Oh my gosh, we made it to the farm. Esther.
What in Tornado?
Oh, you got a little sweaty sleeping over there, you little cutie. Hi Mia. Guys, you ready to go on the farm? Hey, say what up, Nathan?
Go follow me on Instagram, Nate G right here. Go follow me on Instagram.
That's my brother Nathan. Here's Sammy. This is my brother Ruben. Oh, focus. Oh yeah, there's Ruben, Big Rube, Tabby, Emily, Dama, Mia, Sammy. Sammy, say hi. Oh, careful. Hey, we're at the farm. We're at the farm. You excited? You excited? You're excited to be at the farm? Sammy. You want to go on a tour? Yeah? Mia, you want to go on a tour?
You want to walk or go on the wagon?
You want to walk? All right, we're taking off.
You good, Mia?
We got Leia.
Bye, so you have a safe trip.
Thank you.
Yeah, there's Leia, Mia, Dama, the triplets, Sammy, Ruben, Emily, Tabby, Nathan. We're all on here. There's a tour guide himself.
I'll be the spokesman today. So we have a rule, so anybody who stands up gets to walk back. So Oni, I guess you, I guess you need to get off here.
All strawberries.
Yeah, so we're planting 33,000 this year, so they have to be hand planted in the ground.
Wow.
It's gonna take a few days. We laid out next spring. Actually, I want to see these triplets out here picking some fresh strawberries.
Guys, Esther, Evelyn, Eliana, you guys having fun? I took a few days off to be with my brothers and sisters, take the kids out, and this is exactly what the doctor ordered. So what's over here, Farmer Dre?
So these are young peach trees. They'll be coming in production next year. So we got about 7 acres of peaches here on the farm. Yeah, but farm fresh peaches. It ain't summer without peaches, so.
Exactly.
Sweet.
Let's go pick some apples.
There you go.
You want to pick an apple? Let's see if I know who this is. This is Eliana.
I will say Eliana.
Let's go pick an apple.
No,
Look right here. Here. Oh, wow. You gonna pick the apple? Ooh. Yeah, it's an apple. You don't like apples? Yummy? Is that yummy?
They've had apples before, but like cut up. I don't know.
They're
They
super
never
crunchy and
actually.
hard, so it's gonna take some
They never
power
bitten
enough.
into an
You
apple.
little cutie. Mwah.
Mama.
Oh, you want me
wanna
to cut
cut
it
it?
for you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Come on, go pick an apple.
Pick this one right here, Sammy.
Then you pull it off.
Pull it hard, pull it hard. Chop, pull hard, pull. Oh, super strong. Let's go. No,
Sammy.
No, Sammy. There you go.
Sammy,
Pull
pull it off. Get it, Sammy, get it. Pull it, pull it.
There you go.
Ah, good job, Sammy. Give me your turn. Pick an apple.
Which one? Okay, here.
Okay, grab it.
Grab it with your hand. Grab it with your hand and try and pull it. Okay, here. Give me your hand. I'll do it with you. Give me your hand. Oh, she did it to it.
Good job, Mia. Good job.
Come get another one, Sammy.
Eliana, you biting the
Look,
apple? Ooh, yummy, yummy.
Sammy.
Make sure you check out Farmer Dre's merch, link in description if you're a real farmer or you enjoy anything that has to do with farming.
So if you're just slightly interested in farming or just want to see me, a beautiful 23-year-old, get some stuff done, check it out.
Guys, you guys hungry? Wow. Look, they're making pastries and bread. Having some lunch. Mia, what is that? Is that a sandwich?
Yeah.
The pastries. Oh my. Guys, Gardner's Orchard pastries.
Just take this real quick.
So good. Get back here, boy. Hey guys, what are you doing? You guys are swinging? Mia, look over there. Look, it's a cow. Let's go see the cow. Come on, Sammy, run, 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 run. Whoa, it's a cow. Wow. Sammy, can you say moo?
Moo.
Moo. Mia, is this fun?
Hey, Mia.
I showed him the cows over there.
Nice. Baby Leia still sleeping. She loves the fresh air.
Sammy, look.
You want to feed the cow?
Sammy, it's a cow.
I'm kind of scared of this cow.
It's a cow. Esther, touch the cow.
I know the cows are a little much to feed.
Mia, are you okay? It's just a big cow.
Can touch? Can touch?
Feed the goat, Mia.
Ready? Now get to the goat. Ready? Go get closer. Go get closer. There we go.
Good job, Mia.
Hold out your hands. Put in his mouth. How do you do it with him? There we go. Hold it. There we go. Get closer. Get closer. I'm so scared.
Good job, Sammy. Look, he's shaking his hand.
Here, one more time, Mia. Ready?
Silly Sammy.
Alright, we're gonna.
Alright guys, huge shout out to Gardners Orchard, Farmer Dre, my cousins. Be sure to hit the link in bio. Go cop some of their merch. Go check out their farm over here off of Highway 13 in Brighton, Missouri. We've had a blast. The
Yes.
triplets loved it. We took the whole tour.
It was so much fun.
They love the animals, the cows, they're right behind us. You might be able to see them. So be sure to check them out, guys. And we'll see you guys in the next one.